Hey everyone! Today, I will share my top 10 favorite Google Workspace productivity tips with you. Those are the features I use every single day, which greatly help connecting myself with the relevant content and people. Also help me to get my job done more efficiently. My name is Alpha. I'm the Google Workspace Technical Specialist Lead for Southeast Asia.
Starting off with tips number 10. Use the shortcuts in Chrome browser to create your Workspace documents. Chrome address bar is pretty powerful. And do you know that you can quickly create the Google Workspace documents by just typing docs.new to create a new Google document, sheets.new to create a new Google spreadsheet, and slides.new to create a new Google presentation. Next, over at tips number 9, use the Explore feature to intelligently format your Google Slides. Crafting the perfect pitch deck or sharing your team's story is hard enough without having to make it look great. Exploring slides makes design polishing simple. As you work, Explore dynamically generates design suggestions based on the content of your slide. Simply pick up recommendations and apply with a single click. Next, over at tips number 8, add formatting in Google Chat. You can add formatting to your chat messages by including some special characters in the text. So for example, you can add asterisks before and after the text you want bolded. To italicize text, you add underscores before and after the text you want italicized. To strike through text, add tildes before and after the text you want stroke through. Or you use backticks before and after the text to create an inline code block. Use 3 backticks before and after the text to create a multi-line code block. This is pretty useful when you're trying to reference a message in Google Chat. Down to tips number 7, voice typing in Google Docs. As we get more used to speaking to virtual assistants in our mobile devices, and now appliances like Google Home, we can also explore the voice interface built into Google Docs. So voice typing is available in Docs via the Tools menu. And it did support wide ranges of different languages.
灵活的创新解决方案，让个人和组织能够事半功倍。
Down to tips number 6, the closed caption feature in slides. I'm sure you know the closed caption feature in Google Meet, but do you know that when you present slides, you can also turn on automatic captions to display the speaker's words in real time? To get started, when you are under presenting mode, at the bottom left of the present screen, click More Options, then Caption Preferences, toggle Captions. Your voice will be converted to text and displayed on your slides. This is actually pretty useful when you are presenting a slide to other people. Down to tips number 5, schedule a meeting through a chatbot. So bots in Google Chat appears as a special user's marked bot. Just like people, bots can participate in chat rooms and they can respond to direct messages. One of the chatbots developed by Google is called MeetBot. So you can use the MeetBot in Google Chat to schedule, modify, and cancel meetings, or to lock up your schedule. So in this example, you can see that the bot can understand your request speaking in natural language, recognize the Meet attendees, check the availabilities for those users, and finally create a meeting for you. Our customers can also create their own chatbot and further integrate with their line of business apps. Down to tips number 4, Q&A in Google Slides. Do you know that we have the built-in Q&A features in Google Slides? You can engage with your audiences by inviting them to submit questions during the presentation. Once you start a new Q&A session in the slide, the corresponding Q&A link will be automatically added to all your slides. Your audiences can thus submit questions by visiting that URL. They can also vote on the ones that they want answered the most. You can further present questions from the audiences without need to create those Q&A slides manually. Down to tips number 3. Let Google Sheets help you with your work through Sheets Explorer. Explorer in Sheets can help you decode your data easily. Whether you are new to spreadsheets or a formula pro, just ask Explorer with words, not formulas, to get answers about your data. It's kind of like having an expert in data analysis sitting next to you. Down to tips number 2. Secure your email with Gmail Confidential Mode. With Gmail Confidential Mode, you can help protect sensitive information from unauthorized or accidental sharing. Confidential mode messages don't have options to forward, copy, print, or download messages or attachments. Confidential mode also lets you set a message expiration date, or you can revoke message access at any time. The final one, my most favorite tips. Translate your Meet closed caption to any languages that you are familiar with. This translation feature is powered by Chrome browser and Google Translate. When you are in Google Meet, just right-click and choose Translate to another language. It's that simple. Your closed caption will then automatically translate to the chosen language.
I hope you found this tip helpful. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thanks for your time.